Did you know you can use both Android and OPS together on BenQ Interactive Flat Panel? Let me show you how simple and how powerful this feature really is. When you switch on the board, it starts with inbuilt Android system. From here, you can easily access applications like Whiteboard, browser, BenQ IFP tools, file manager. All of these works smoothly without connecting any external device. Now, if you need full Windows functionality, simply switch the input source to OPS. Your BenQ board now transforms into a complete window PC. You can open MS Office application like Word, PowerPoint, run specialized or softwares, access ERP system, use advanced desktop applications. This gives you the flexibility of a full computer experience directly on your interactive panel. But the real power comes when you use both systems together. Imagine you're presenting from Windows through OPS and suddenly you want to annotate, take notes, or open the Android Whiteboard. Here, simply open the sidebar and enable the multi-window option. You will now see the OPS screen in picture-in-picture mode on the Android interface. This allows you to run Windows and Android simultaneously. This will help you to annotate instantly using Android tools. This will also allow you to take screenshot from the OPS screen directly into the whiteboard. This seamless integration makes teaching and presentation faster, smarter, and more interactive. Whether you prefer the simplicity of Android or the full functionality of Windows, BenQ allows you to use both together effortlessly. That's smarter teaching. That's a smarter way of collaboration.